Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. Join us as we take you along during our stay at Motto by Hilton, New York City Times Square. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of our queen room, explore the hotel's amenities, and check out nearby attractions. Stick around until the end for our final thoughts on whether this hotel is worth a stay. This stylish and modern hotel, located in the heart of Manhattan, offers an affordable yet upscale experience for travelers. As we entered, we were greeted by the cozy lobby, a space designed to encourage interaction, making it ideal for solo travelers, business guests, or groups. The lobby staff was friendly, and we were grateful for early check-in so we could settle down and get ready to explore the city. Now, let's make our way to our room on the 15th floor. Let's take a look at room 1526 here at the Motto Times Square. This is just a standard room. So as soon as you walk in is the bathroom sink already with a storage area for your clothes. There's a bunch of hangers there. And let's see what's under here. There's a safe there and a small fridge. And here's the products to use here. BAST. Now let's take a look at the bathroom area. Here's the toilet. And right beside it is the shower. So let's open this up. There's the shower. Very small shower, but it'll do. Now here's the bedroom. That's a queen size bed. There's nowhere really to put your luggage except for this area right here. They have hooks up there, so we put our backpack there. And they have a bunch of plugs by the bed, so there's some here to charge your devices and some more on the other side. It's a big screen TV, and they have these snacks and drinks here, which are included with a $30 destination fee. So that includes 2 bottles of water, some wafers, $10 food and beverage credit at the Alderman downstairs, a city bike rental, and a Crunch fitness pass. Now let's check out our view. You have a little view of the city here. Not too much to see, but there's the view. So it's a very compact room here at the Motto in Times Square. The Alderman serves modern American cuisine and is open daily for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and features a 4-course pre-theater meal for $45. It has a separate bar on the outside and a beautifully decorated interior space that enhances your dining experience. We stopped by for breakfast to use our $10 credit from the destination fee and tried the avocado toast, which cost $20, and the breakfast sandwich, which was $16. The food was surprisingly good, and we would eat here again. It's always nice when the hotels we stay at have gyms, and even though this was a small one, it still had a couple treadmills, elliptical machine, free weights, and Peloton bikes. Motto offers easy access to iconic landmarks like Times Square, which was just a 1-minute walk away, as well as Broadway theaters and plenty of dining as well as shopping options. Rockefeller Center is a quick 5-minute stroll away. We always like going to the top of the rock here as it has the best views of the New York City skyline, especially at night. Radio City Music Hall is also just a 5-minute walk away. We recommend watching the famous Radio City Rockettes if you are here during the holidays. The location is definitely the hotel's main selling point. However, there is one major reason we won't be returning. While earplugs were provided, I assumed they were meant for the outside noise, but that wasn't the issue. The real problem was the lack of soundproofing between rooms. We could hear everything our neighbors were saying as if there was no wall separating the rooms. But if you can deal with that issue, its location and budget-friendly pricing makes it a good option for staying in Times Square. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our reviews of all the other New York City hotels we've stayed at. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to follow our adventures and weekly uploads.